Hello, I'm Dr. Deepika from Saritha Dental Clinics, and today we are going to talk on a very interesting topic that is dental myths. Dental health is a topic which involves a lot of myths and misconceptions that have been passed down generation to generation, and today we are going to be busting few of the crazy dental myths. Myth 1. Brushing harder will result in whiter, cleaner and healthier teeth. Well, it is not true. The truth is, brushing harder will result in a lot of harm to your teeth, which results in abrasions of your teeth and gum recessions. So it is more harm than good. The truth is, you will have to use a softer bristle toothbrush with the proper technique. So brushing harder will not result in those whiter and cleaner teeth, but the thoroughness and the technique of your brushing matters more. So remember, the technique matters and not the pressure. Myth 2. Sugar-free gum is as good as brushing. Well, yes, there are people who believe chewing sugar-free gums is enough and they don't have to brush, but unfortunately, this is not true. Chewing gum can result in increase in saliva production and can probably freshen your breath, but it will not replace the mechanical cleansing action of a toothbrush. It can help in reducing the plaque and neutralizing the acids in your oral cavity to some extent, but flossing and brushing is a must and you cannot skip it by saying that you are chewing a sugar-free gum. Myth number 3, I don't need to see a dentist if my teeth are not hurting. Well, this is the most common myth and the most common heard of statement amongst ourselves. Well, you don't have to see the dentist if you're not in pain, if you're ready to pay a lot of money, right? So you will have to visit a dentist right in the beginning because prevention is better than cure. Remember that dental treatments are not very expensive, but they do get expensive if you neglect your dental health and take it to a stage of some intense and extensive treatments. So make sure you do go to your dentist even if you do not have pain and get any sort of corrections done such as fillings or any minor procedures done such as dental scaling, and prevent yourselves from getting to a stage of bigger treatments and save a lot of money. Myth number 4, you will lose each tooth on every pregnancy. Well, I'm sure at least the pregnant women would have heard of this myth saying they will lose per tooth per pregnancy. So this notion comes from a belief that the mother's calcium is depleted by the developing child and hence it results in a tooth loss. Well, it's not true. Well, the truth is the pregnant women will definitely have some gum diseases due to the hormonal fluctuations in their body, but those are not to an extent where you will lose a tooth. You will just have to visit your dentist and undergo regular scaling and just take care of your oral cavity. Myth number 5, if my gums bleed, I should avoid brushing. Well, some people avoid brushing while their gums bleed because they feel they're going to aggravate the situation. But the truth is, bleeding gums are actually a sign of gum disease due to inadequate oral hygiene. Hence, gentle and consistent brushing along with flossing can actually control your bleeding to an extent. And if your bleeding continues, then it is better to visit your dentist who might suggest any sort of dental treatment. Myth number 6, natural sugar does not cause cavities. Well, some people believe that eating natural sugars such as fruits and honey will not result in cavities, but you're wrong. Irrespective of whether you're eating fruits or honey, which do have some nutritional value, it is important that you do rinse your mouth with water after consuming them and also brush and floss your teeth in a proper way to avoid any sort of cavities. The last myth is dental health involves only teeth. Well, we dentists also hear to this so often, but no, dental health is not only about teeth. Dental health involves a lot more. It is about your tongue, it is about your gum, it is about your soft tissues, the entire oral cavity. A lot of diseases such as cancers can be screened by the dentist during the first visit itself. So don't forget to visit your dentist from next time. Thank you.